Super oily ka like me, very sensitive sa skin. Alam mo yung struggle ng hindi mo alam kung siyang ka ba or lalo kang tatamaan ng breakouts. I tried a lot of cleansers before. Yung iba, sobrang brownie. Yung iba naman, parang walang nangyayari sa color. You might try the fluid solution acid cleanser. What I like about it is it helps control excess oil. It helps control excess oil without that high, uncomfortable feeling after washing my face. For someone with sensitive skin, hindi siya hard. Hindi siya yung cleanser na pwedeng masunod na over time, I noticed my skin feels clearer for longer, less busy during the day, and mas calm yung breakouts ko lalo na sa oil. I use it once or twice a day, depending sa oil level ng skin ko, especially sa season. If you're trying, if you're oily and sensitive like me, this might be a weird thing, but always touch this first, okay? Super oily ka like very sensitive sa skin mo. Alam mo yung struggle ng hindi mo alam kung hilang ka ba or lalo kang nagkasakit ka. I tried so many cleansers before. Yung iba sobrang drying, yung iba naman parang walang effect sa oiliness ko. Then I tried the food salicylic acid cleanser. What I like about it is it helps control excess oil without that high and comfortable feelings after washing my face. For someone with sensitive skin, hindi siya harsh, hindi siya yung tipong after magpugas ka, parang mamaksa. Mm, If you have a very oily skin like me but also sensitive skin, you probably know the struggle of not knowing whether a product will actually work for you or just make things worse. I've tried so many cleansers before. Some were too drying, while others didn't do anything for my eyes. And I tried the food salicylic cleanser. Uy, Abiel, thank you so much. What I like about it is that it controls excess by without leaving my skin feeling tight or for sensitive skin. It doesn't feel harsh. It's not the kind of cleanser that makes your skin feel like it's burning.